Hey Mpenzi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Esther. So guys, today I'm going to an Ethiopian restaurant. I have never tried Injera before, and this is something that I've always wanted to try. When I was in Cyprus, I wanted to try Ethiopian food, but there are no Ethiopian restaurants in Cyprus. Maybe I should have even told Gelila to make me some, just that it never crossed my mind, or maybe I just didn't have time. However, in Malta there's an Ethiopian restaurant, and it's new, by the way. So I think I'm gonna go, and also it has like really good reviews. I'm gonna link down the restaurant down on the description box. If you find yourself in Malta, probably you want to try it out. I don't know, I mean, you'll decide. Anyway, so I'm gonna be meeting Marlene. She's my colleague at work, and she's Italian, by the way, and she wanted to try the Ethiopian food as well. She's never tried it before, so this is like a first time for both of us. Do you know, like, I had to Google how to eat injera, because honestly I didn't want to embarrass myself. So I think right now, like, I'm informed. So guys, let's go, because I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna eat anything. I want to be like really hungry when I go try this out. So let's go. I don't know what's wrong with Google Maps today, but it's so confusing. I've been going back and forth, and Marlene has already told me like she's in the bus, so she'll be definitely there way early than me. So I gotta like race, you know, and be there on time. So hi guys, so right now we are at the Afro Daily Coffee. I'm with Marlene.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah, we are very excited to try Injera. I'm very excited. Marlene is also very excited. The hotel is kind of small, but you can call for reservation so that they can put a spot for you. I will link the Facebook page of the restaurant, the Google location, and everything. If you find yourself in Malta, make sure you come here, definitely. Bye.
You don't eat, you eat this thing.
Yeah, no? For sure. Yeah. But for me, I'm gonna use my hands.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
For me, I need to be a princess.
You need to be a princess.
I don't want to be rude, but look at that.
No, it's fine, because you're not used to it. Yeah.
Let's try.
So guys, the food is here. The food is here.
Oh my God, you're crazy, more than me, eh?
The food is here, and
I want to come there. Hey.
Marlene.
But this one,
yeah,
you need to put inside.
Yeah, of course. So this is the injera, guys. This is how it looks like.
You can make it.
I'm so happy. I mean, yeah, it's good, yeah. And then you like have to pick it. You use the injera, you pick the chicken or whatever you're using. Marlene is eating her vegetables.
It's very nice, I suggest you. So beautiful. You open it and you
Yes.
feel it inside. It's very nice. Another technique, Italian technique. It's very good.
Oh my God.
The lentils are so beautiful. I'm eating the lentil.
Okay.
You like lentils, no?
Yeah, I like it.
I leave it for you.
Okay. Moment of truth, guys.
fingerprint. Fuck off. Oh, sorry. It's nice. But you never eat
It's
it.
really good. Oh my
You
god.
don't have in Kenya. You have it, no?
We have Ethiopians in Kenya. We have Ethiopian restaurants as well. I think. Yeah, we have Ethiopian restaurants. Though I've never been to an Ethiopian restaurant in Kenya.
No, no.
I
Okay.
think we do. I mean, if you're in Kenya and you know any Ethiopian restaurant, let me know. I don't know if there are Ethiopian restaurants in Kenya.
Okay, we are live.
Guys, one thing I like about Injera, it's very light. It's very light. It's very light. It doesn't make you feel like you're going to be too full,
Yes,
bloated. Yeah, you know. I think it's. You like it, Marlon?
Yeah, even the vegetable so amazing.
Yeah, it's really good. I mean, she's vegetarian, so you're not vegetarian?
No, but I like vegetables.
Okay. She's trying to cut on meat, but for me and meat, best friends. Me and meat, we are best friends. Yeah.
But chicken is nice because this is very cool.
Yeah. This is good.
Let me they're drinking ladies.
This is so nice. This is so good. The best decision I made today.
No, so nice. I'm so happy she just came and she is trying something new. I'm so happy to introduce her. Also, this is next time to my restaurant. Next time, vegan and vegetarian restaurant.
Oh my god, okay.
My food. Next time, my food. Very nice. We don't need to eat tomorrow. Tomorrow we take away.
So guys, you know, I thought like when I come here I won't be able to finish the food, but
This was a mess.
yeah, but since I didn't have breakfast, and then also the injera, I thought it was going to be like heavy bread, but
I don't even feel it. Me neither.
yeah, it's so light.
It's like
Yeah, it's really light. I thought it would be so heavy, but it's very light.
yeah.
I feel
Hefty. We need to order another one.
I need to order another one. I feel really good, by the way.
Yes,
It doesn't make you feel bloated or anything.
No, at all.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, and we were talking to like the restaurant manager, and he was saying his mom is from Kenya and Mombasa, to be specific, where I'm from. This world is so small, guys.
Malta is so small, guys.
Yeah. So guys,
I feel very full.
I'm done eating.
Yes, you can see.
I feel so full. Like honestly, I don't know.
Full but nice.
I 100% recommend this restaurant. 100%. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I'm gonna pay my own cash. Okay, we're gonna
pay.
yeah, we're gonna pay for this food, so it's not sponsored. If you find yourself in Malta, make sure you come here. Like the food is really good. The injera was my first time eating. And I liked it. Merlin liked it.
Even me, I mean, for me, I was like a bit unsure, but then the
She was she was a bit skeptical about the bread because she thought it's gonna be a little bit heavy, but it's super light. I finished everything. Like I cleared my plate, as you can see. I cleared
the vegetables
I told her she was supposed to eat this
together, but then I made
yeah, but she has some more over there
to bring it to our friends.
yeah. To be honest, I really had a good time. I loved it.
Only salad left.
Yeah, me and vegetables, we are not really close.
No, but we are really close. I'm eating your salad.
But I really loved the food. Honestly, I loved it. Hands down, I loved it. So guys, make sure you come here. Yeah, make sure you come here. Like I said, I'll leave the address on the description box, and even the Google Maps, whatever. I'll also link down their social media pages, their Instagram and their Facebook.
Make a good review.
Definitely. This is amazing. So guys, that's it from us. That's the end of the video.
It's finished.
Yeah, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below. Yes, all that jazz. Support me so that I'm able to go to more.
She's a nice one.
So that I'm able to go to more restaurants.
See you soon.
Bye.